Okay, here we go. So I used the ties that were from transporting the tractor. This is how high it is. I'm holding my phone looking way up, and that is 14 feet up. I got this ladder from Amazon. It is way up there. And so as I was hooking it, I couldn't get it hooked onto the hook on the wall. And it slipped all the way over to that side. Okay. So here's another perspective. Hello. Oh, wow. Here we go. So now I'm exactly eye level. Pretty neat. Came to me in my sleep how I could hoist that up with both ladders using the straps as a pulley and those giant hooks on the back. The thing weighs about 50 pounds. I could have done it and I could have finished. Oh, and it's also got caught on those hooks, which is a blessing, but it's tied off. It's not going anywhere. There we have it. Ta-da!